Hello friends, welcome to you Deepz Stone Advice. And today we will talk about I got one customer and he is from Jigni only nearby Begur, and he is advocate and name is Baswaraja sir. So we will discuss about what actually he purchased some stones from me. So we will discuss about it.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬೇಗೂರ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಹತ್ರ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೇಗೂರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸು ಗ್ರಾನೈಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನಾನೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಟು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಜಿಗಣಿ. ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಐ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಫಾರ್ 2 days ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ರೋಮ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 100 to 150 ಶಾಪ್ಸ್. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಗ್ರಾನೈಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಬರೋ ಥರ ಗ್ರಾನೈಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇನ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ದೀಪ್ಸ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಲು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ರೇಟ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಟು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ. So I personally went there and I met with Deepz, owner of the Variety Stones Overseas. So really the granite was very good, and with my satisfaction, with my what is that called, price tag, whatever the price I was expecting and whatever the quality stones granite, I was really wondering. I got complete set of my home granites, including flooring and wall cladding and all the granite for steps, everything I got in one area, that is called Variety Stones Overseas. So thank you Deepz for your giving up good granite for my home.
Today this is the discussion about the deal. So जैसे सर ने बताया, actually he is very happy and I am also happy because he is also telling about me and about my service. So I am sharing these things because of you can also get the good material. If you will trust somebody, you will get the good trusted material to you. So I am sharing these things because of he wanted that you share these things, because I am very happy today and I got the material, good material, because he is searching here and there everywhere, but lastly he got the material what he required. So I'm sharing this because of the reason of sir only. So if you like this video, and this is the genuine video, natural things, everything happened, and lastly he told me that made one video in night only. Right now there is a 8:30 o'clock, so I made this video. So if you like, please share my video and please subscribe my channel on YouTube, Deepz Stone Advice. Thank you very much.